Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, October 7th and 8th, 2017. Very warm this weekend, very unseasonably warm, and temperatures today are going to make a run at the low to mid 80s for highs. We are going to be warm sectored with this warm front up off to our north, area low pressure moving up through the Great Lakes, and a cold front situated back here. So this is all very warm air coming in from the south, and that's going to be with us both days, both Saturday and Sunday. A cold front is going to be, this back here is going to be moving through the region on Sunday, but we do think there's going to be some clearing in the afternoon, which will allow temperatures to go back up again, but not quite as high as what they will be today. Low to mid 80s today, probably closer to the 80-degree mark on Sunday, so give it like upper 70s to low 80s across the region from north to south. So we'll move this forward from this point just to give you an idea what's going on. And again, no precipitation today, just partly cloudy. And then overnight tonight, late tonight, this is probably going to be wee hours of the morning stuff, early Sunday. There are going to be a few showers moving eastward, a line of showers going to move eastward across the area. From west to east, from central PA over to the New Jersey coastline, and that's going to take place during the morning. But after that point, we think we do have a break in the action here, where there's nothing in the afternoon, and you can see that right there. So we should get at least some breaks of sun, which is why we're allowing the temperatures to go up again to the upper 70s to low 80s from north to south on Sunday. So it'll be very warm both days, but of course today's the warmer of those 2 days. This right here is what will be the remnants of Hurricane Nate, or perhaps what we're assuming will be Hurricane Nate based on the National Hurricane Center projections. Either way, it's whether it's a tropical storm or a Category 1 hurricane. This will be moving overland, and its remnants will bring us rain here on Monday. There will be some advanced moisture out ahead of it, though, right here. The system itself is going to be down here. There's some advanced moisture that's going to be moving through the region Sunday night into Monday morning, at least Monday morning, and then the actual low will track near the Delmarva, and that will be on probably later Monday and overnight Monday night. So let's go over to the NAM High-Res Future Simulator Radar real quick before I get into that. Just going to give you a timeline for this weekend. Here is the rain moving in late Saturday night. Starts off partly cloudy in the evening on Saturday night, which is tonight, and then of course later in the night as the clouds increase, and then we have these showers moving in from west to east. This is looking at 5 a.m. right here. By the time we get to 8, it's over much of extreme eastern Pennsylvania, maybe starting to get into western New Jersey, or at least knocking on the doorstep of western New Jersey, and then it moves by 11 p.m. or excuse me 11 a.m. on Sunday. The showers are over New Jersey and moving out of Pennsylvania. But after this point, again, we're going to expect to turn to probably mostly cloudy skies, partly to mostly cloudy across the region, but we will have some peaks of sun in the afternoon, so the temperatures again will go up. This batch of precipitation down south is going to make its way northward, and that's what's going to come through overnight Sunday night into Monday morning, and so we'll get into that now. Again, that's this advanced precipitation right here moving ahead of Nate, and that's going to move off to the north overnight Sunday night. And you can see the rain. It's raining here on Monday morning. There may be a little bit of a break in between here, maybe in some parts of our area after the initial wave goes through on Monday. But the actual low pressure, which is Nate or the remnants of Nate, will move through overnight or later Monday into Monday night. There could be some locally heavy rainfall with that. I'm not expecting any extreme amounts here. I've seen some outlets out there putting amounts of 2, 3, 4 inches of rain. I think that would be extreme, and we're not going to go that high. Probably an inch or two would be a better estimate. Maybe some lollipops or some hyperlocal areas that do squeeze over 2 inches, but that would be on a hyperlocal basis, and we're expecting just a general 1 to 2 inch rainfall across the region. And that's encompassing everything from Sunday night into Monday and later Monday into Monday night, which is the actual low pressure remnants, the post-tropical depression, which is what it will be at this time as it moves over our area. All right, so this gets out of the way early on Tuesday, maybe a leftover early shower for our eastern sections, and then we should be turning partly cloudy later in the day. High pressure is going to try to nose down from the northeast or from the northwest here to the southeast, but it's not going to be able to do too much. So we have another batch of showers with its associated cold front that's going to move through the region on Wednesday, and it's going to start, at first it's going to move toward the region with a warm front, And maybe later in the day here on Wednesday, you get into some isolated or widely scattered showers. This is not going to be in a hurry to get out of here. As a matter of fact, over the next couple of days, it's going to kind of sit here and stall over the region. This frontal boundary will be very close to the region, so we're going to have at least a threat of a shower continuing both Thursday and Friday, but likely not the entire time. This is not a total washout type deal from the middle to the end of the week time frame, but we are going to watch that and narrow down the exact precipitation chances on each day. Right now we'll have about a 40% chance on each day, Wednesday through Friday, later Wednesday through Friday, for a shower along that frontal boundary that's just kind of stuck over the region for a couple of days. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for the weekend, October 7th and 8th, 2017. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.